cues to go with PLTR. PLTR, by the way, still has not found support, but I can tell you right now, the longer this sits in this, which is where it's touch, 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 the more likely you'll have buyers come stepping back in to drive this force back up. So keep an eye on the market. Overall market tanks, this is out of here because it's not finding any support yet, okay? This should have already started to stair step back up and broke the 200. But we'll see. All it'll take, seriously, all it would take is one big buyer or institution to pump this up beyond the 200, and now you're making a move back to VWAP. But again, as long as this consolidates, it's just in a holding pattern waiting to fall again. Here's SPY on the retest again. So it went up, big giant move, right? We made that money on the pop, scalpers, because this is a scalp only trade. This is not a 2-minute EWO, am I right? Anytime we're not saying 2 minutes, it is a scalp. Drove to the upside, came back down. Now we're in a retest, same drill. So this is support. This is your quick scalp with a stop below. And if it breaks and goes down, so put your stop right on the bottom of that wick. If it breaks and goes this way, you immediately get out of the long, and now you're in puts. But I'm telling you right now on the overall, yeah, the overall is upside. So I'm telling you right now, you are less likely to make money today on a SPY put, at least as this is going up. I would rather be in calls. Why? Look at the overall trend. Up, 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 up. See it?